This baby monkey was rejected by his mother and found comfort in a toy instead. His name is Punch. Born in July 2025. He faced a harsh reality from the very beginning. Abandoned by his own mother. Seeing his condition, the caretakers at Ichikawa City Zoo immediately stepped in to care for him. He was fed, kept warm, and monitored every day. But there was one thing humans couldn't fully replace: the sense of safety from a mother's embrace. To calm him, the caregivers gave Punch a soft toy. From that moment on, the toy never left his arms. He sleeps, hugging it, carries it wherever he goes, and looks much calmer when it's close, like it became the mother he never had. Slowly, Punch began to be introduced to other monkeys so he could learn to be independent. But one thing never changed. The toy always stayed in his hands. In the primate world, maternal rejection can happen due to stress, first-time motherhood, or social pressure within the group. For a baby meant to cling to its mother for warmth and safety, losing that bond is both a physical and emotional threat. Sometimes, survival isn't just about food. It's about feeling safe. And for Punch, that sense of love came from something simple. A small toy he could hold on to.